Hi guys, welcome to Shina's Kitchen. So today we're going to be making Shakshuka, which is actually a tomato-based dish from North Africa. I'm going to be pimping that up and Kenyanizing it and adding some flair to it with chapati. So the dish itself is just going to be the North African way. I'm going to be adding some chapati at the end of it so that instead of having it with bread, you'll have it with chapati. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with my tomatoes. Chopping my tomatoes, just want to get them to a nice dice. So I'm just going to put my chopped tomatoes into a bowl. So next I'm going to chop my onions. And then put your onions into a bowl. Get our capsicums. I'm using a red capsicum and just chop this without the seeds, of course. So I love garlic, so I'm going to use 2 large cloves and just build some ugali strength. Whew, serious ugali strength. Just to bash them. That will help the skin come right off. And then just chop this. Add some oil. I'm using olive oil. Add the onions to the oil. Ooh, sizzle. I love the sound of sizzle. The onions are soft, add the garlic just until it's fragrant and just saute that. Then add the tomatoes and some capsicums. I like adding capsicums for just for the crunch and just to give the shakshuka a different taste to it. So we're adding some capsicums. So I usually like some spice in my eggs, so I'm just using some dried chilies here, which I'm just going to bring into my tomato mixture. It's just going to give a little nice kick. And then I'm going to be adding our spices. So some cumin. Like be generous with the cumin, because that's the main spice, and the paprika. And add paprika. Look at the colors, it looks so good already. And then we're just going to go ahead and start this. So I'm going to go ahead now and add our salt, some black pepper. So you know this is going to help our kick because already I added some of the chili and of course some tomato paste. And then just give this a nice stir. So crack your eggs, and I like to do it on a flat surface, and then just break them into a nice bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and add them to our tomato mixture. So all I'm doing is creating like a pocket into my sauce where the egg is going to go into. So we're just creating a pocket and the egg is going to go in there. So just gently pour it in like that. And then we're going to season our eggs with some salt, some pepper. So open the oven and then we're going to go ahead and add our shakshuka. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of my dhania, cilantro, depending which part of the world you're from. And then we're going to give this a nice chop. So it's time to get our shakshuka out of the oven, and oh, it looks so pretty! I can't wait to dig into this. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle this with some dhania. Just a few sprigs of dhania. Yum, it already looks delicious. I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil. And like I said, we're going to be having our shakshuka with chapati just because we're in Kenya and you could have it with bread, but you know, I'm going the extra mile and Kenyanizing it, and there's no other way to eat this other than dip your chapati inside your nice saucy mixture. Personally, I like my eggs well done. It's a preference. Some people do not like the eggs well done. I do. So we're going to go ahead and cut this all messy. Oh, this is so spicy. So delicious. I wish you guys could taste this. Don't mind me. So if you guys really enjoyed this recipe, the shakshuka with the chapati, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more delicious breakfast recipes as well as other traditional Kenyan recipes right here, Shina's Kitchen. So see you then. Bye!